Best Buy lists 5 years of Geek Squad protection for this $1,300 television at $279.99. Amazon's alternative is a monthly subscription at about $16.99, more than $1,019 over 5 years before tax. Those are very different offers. Let's pressure test what each one actually adds. Then give it a pass, caution, or fail. Every television arrives with protection you did not choose. Start there. Layer 1, the manufacturer warranty. On LG televisions, 1 year of parts, 1 year of labor from the date of purchase. It covers defects, not damage. Layer 2, a retailer or membership extension. Costco extends the manufacturer's warranty on qualifying televisions to 2 years total at no extra cost. Layer 3, purchase protection. Depending on the card, it may cover damage or theft for a short window after purchase. That is different from an extended warranty. Layer 4 is the paid protection plan offered at checkout. The question is what Layer 4 adds after the Best Buy sells one plan for one television on a $1,300 set. Now test what that price actually buys. It markets 100% of parts and labor, including power surge damage from day one, including a lightning strike, at least 3 stuck pixels, or a ghost image. And on televisions 42 inches and larger, a technician comes to your home. Accidental damage is not included. That is Best Buy's own language. During the manufacturer's first year, most repairs go through the manufacturer. So the plan is not simply a duplicate year. Best Buy publishes panel repair examples from $1,000 to $4,200. A mainboard repair is about $395. A power supply is $340. The panel is the expensive outlier, $1,000 to $4,200, so that is the repair you have to justify. The coverage stacks. Depending on the plan, physical damage may still be excluded. For the Allstate television plan shown here, Costco says physical damage is not included. If the risk is a cracked panel, that exclusion can decide the whole purchase. Amazon's plan, Complete Protect, is a monthly subscription at $16.99 plus tax, not a one-time payment. At $16.99 a month, 3 years cost $611.64. 5 years costs $1,019.40 in premiums for a $1,300 television. Watch what a small monthly number does across the life of a television. That subscription may cover multiple eligible Amazon purchases, not only the television. A household protecting a tablet, a laptop, headphones, and a monitor. Total claims are capped at $5,000 in a 12-month period. And drops and spills are covered on eligible portable items, which a wall-mounted television is not. 1. What am I already covered for free? 2. What specific failure am I actually worried about? 3. Is that failure covered or excluded? 4. What does a typical repair cost if I self-insure? 5. How long do I plan to keep this device? 6. Does the paid plan stay worth it for the whole time I plan to keep it? If they cannot explain what new risk this plan covers, do not buy it. Pass, caution, or fail. It passes when you can name the specific risk it covers that nothing else does. The price is reasonable against what you paid, and you have actually read the exclusions. It is a caution when the coverage partly overlaps what you already have, or the claims process is unclear, or it only works if you assume something about how you will use it. It fails when you cannot say what it adds. If all you know is the monthly price, that is not a plan. That is a subscription to uncertainty. No store won every category. One may offer stronger service, another may include more coverage, and another may protect multiple devices. But every option has exclusions. The right plan covers a specific risk. If this helped you avoid a bad protection plan, subscribe to the Money Stress Test. We pressure test the next money decision before it drains you.